Hello friends, in the first lecture about the pointer, we discussed about the pointer. We saw that a pointer stores the address of the another variable. How this address of a variable is assigned to the pointer variable and how data pointed by the pointer variable is printed. And to understand this one, we discuss few examples using the pointers. Now in the second lecture about the pointer, we will see invalid use of the address operator. How address operator should be used and it should not be used. So we will discuss that one. Then initialization of pointer variable. How pointer variable is initialized. Then dereferencing the pointer. Dereferencing, what is the meaning of the dereferencing? We will see that one. Pointer to pointer, that is double pointer. What is meaning of pointer to pointer? We will discuss this one. And few examples program just to clear the above points. Invalid use of address operator. In C programming, using address operator over literal will throw an error. Address operator can't be used on literal to get the address of the literal, that is ampersand 75. Here we can't use this ampersand operator, also called the address operator, on literal, that is 75 is a literal, it is a constant, so we can't use ampersand sign to get the address where this is stored. So this is incorrect. Only variable have an address associated with them. Constant entity does not have corresponding address. Address operator can't be used over character literal also. Like this one, ampersand, when A is included in the single quotation marks or any symbol is used in the single quotation marks, this becomes a character constant. So we can't use ampersand sign with a character constant to get the address of it. So this is also a literal, so we can't use ampersand sign with any literal. A plus B will evaluate addition of values present in the variables, and output of A plus B is nothing but literal, so address operator can't be used with this one. Initialization of pointer variable. Declare a pointer variable and note down the data type. Declare another variable with the same data type as that of the pointer variable. Initialize ordinary variable and assign some value to it. Now initialize pointer variable by assigning the address of the ordinary variable to the pointer variable. Pointer should not be used before initialization. Let us see an example. So in this example program, first statement of the main function declares an integer variable a. Second statement declares an integer pointer variable ptr. Then value a is assigned a value of 10 using the assignment operator. Then pointer variable is assigned the address of A where 10 is stored. Then using printf statement, value of ptr colon %u comma ptr. So what is the address of variable A that is gets printed at this point, and return 0 is the last statement of the main function and also of the program. So when this program is run, we get the output value of PTR equal to 4001. This is a random value. Now let us say dereferencing pointer. What is meaning of dereferencing pointer? Asterisk in direction operator is used along with the pointer variable while dereferencing the pointer variable. Asterisk operator is also called as a value add operator. When used with the pointer variable, it refers to value being pointed to. This is called dereferencing of the pointer. Dereferencing operation is performed to access or manipulate data contained in memory location pointed to by a pointer. So any operation performed on the dereferenced pointer directly affects the value of variable it points to. An example program on dereferencing the pointer variable. In this example program, first statement declares two integer variables n and x. Simultaneously, 50 is assigned to the variable n. Next statement declares integer pointer variable ptr. Then ptr equal to ampersand n semicolon. This statement assigned the address of variable n to the pointer variable, and last statement x equal asterisk pointer semicolon. What is the data pointed by this pointer variable is assigned to the variable x. This is called dereferencing of the pointer variable. So evaluation, sample code for dereferencing of the pointer. That is information about this is written here. Explanation about that is written. Asterisk ptr. So this meaning of this is the value at ptr. ptr hold the address, pointer variable hold the address. So suppose this is the address, so value at this address, and value at this address is 50. So in this way, value pointed by the pointer gets assigned to the left side variable. So this is called dereferencing of the pointer variable. Pointer to pointer called double pointer. So what is meaning of pointer to pointer? Pointers are used to store address of the variables of the specified data type. But if you want to store the address of a pointer variable, then you again need a pointer to store it, because pointer is also a variable. So it is also stored in some memory location. So what is address of that one? That is stored by the another pointer variable. Thus, when one pointer variable stores the address of another pointer variable, it is known as pointer to pointer variable or double pointer. That is, when one pointer variable stores the address of the another pointer variable, it is known as pointer to pointer variable or double pointer. Syntax for pointer to pointer declaration is data types. Here we write two asterisks together, then pointer variable. So this is the syntax for pointer to pointer variable declaration. Now an example program. In this example program, first statement of the main function declares an integer variable a and it is assigned a value of 10. Next statement declares an integer pointer variable p1. Next, integer double asterisk p2. This declares the pointer to pointer variable p2. Then p1 equal to ampersand a semicolon assign address of a to the pointer variable p1. Then next statement p2 equal to ampersand p1 colon. What is address of the pointer variable p1 that is assigned to the p2. Then using the next print statements, print f address of a. What is address of a? Using the ampersand sign or address operator, we can print the address of the variable a. So that is gets printed. Next one is the address of p1. What is address of the p1? This is stored by the p1. So again using the address operator, we can print the address of the pointer variable p1. So that is printed at this point. So printf address of p2. Again we can print using the address operator. What is address of the p2 is gets printed at this point. Then next printf statement, value at the address is stored by the p2. What is the value stored by the p2? This stores the address of the p1. So it's to print its value, we print the asterisk value at p2. Naturally this is going to be address of p1, that is gets printed at this point. That's why here we use the %u control format string to print the address of memory location. Next printf statement, value at address is stored by p1. What is the data stored by p1? That is asterisk p1, value pointed by the p1, that stores the address of the variable a, that is gets printed here. The next statement, value of double asterisk p2 equal %d double asterisk p2. So first if we take only asterisk closing to the p2, this indicates the address of the p1, and the next asterisk, what is the data stored at the address of the p1, that gets printed, and return statement is end of the program. Let us see the output of the program. Address of a is printed here, address of p1 is printed, address of p2 is printed, value at the address is stored by the p2, that is address of the p1 is printed here, value at the address is stored by p1 is equal to 10, and value of pointer to pointer p2 equal to 10. So what is value of this one? That is gets printed. p1 pointer variable can only hold the address of the variable a. Similarly, p2 variable can hold the address of the variable p1. It cannot hold the address of variable a. Asterisk p2 give the value at an address stored by the p2 pointer. P2 stores the address of P1 pointer and value at the address of P1 is the address of the variable A. Thus, asterisk P2 prints address of A. Double asterisk P2 can be read as asterisk in open and close parenthesis asterisk P2. Hence it gives us the value stored at the address asterisk P2. From above statement you can know asterisk P2 means the address of variable A. Hence the value at the address asterisk P2 is 10. Thus double asterisk P2 prints 10. So in this way today we discussed invalid use of the pointer, that is pointer can't be used before literals to get the address of the literals, and initialization of the pointer variable, how pointer variables are initialized. Dereferencing pointer, what is meaning of dereferencing of a pointer? So dereferencing of the pointer just to get the value pointed by the variable, pointer variable is called dereferencing of the pointer variable. And also we discuss the pointer to pointers. Whenever we declare another pointer variable to stores the address of some pointer variable, it is called the pointer to pointer variable or double pointer. And we also discuss example program. So in this way we get some more information about the pointer. So till next period, bye and have a nice day.